Hi, my name is Nathan Becerra. I'm in 8th grade. I currently attend Orangeview Junior High School, and I'm proudly part of the Puente program. Today I'm going to be talking about my experience in the Puente workshops. So, one thing that I really liked was just getting to work hands-on with the administrators because they were helping you along the way. There to help you, and they were there just to do step by steps if you needed anything. Where they told you could do it on your own if you wanted to try the challenge, or you could stay on the tab and be with them doing it and help them along the way. But I feel just it was such a good experience, and it's definitely another career option if my career of choice doesn't work out when I get older. So I just feel it's really good to know that you learned something that you didn't think you were going to be able to learn because of working with the administrators. But I feel if you like a good challenge and you feel you're capable of doing things that you did not think you could, I feel this program is for you. Because at the end, you get put in a raffle on the final class, where I was put into the raffle because I was the only person in the last class. And I was actually put in the raffle, and I won a Microsoft Surface Pro 7, and I was one of the 4 students out of the whole state that won, which meant I there were, I think, like more than 100 students in it, and I did not think I was gonna win. So if you like a good challenge and you're up for a really fun experience, because it's a pretty good 9 weeks, because you're actually just it's so much fun working with the coding. So if you like a good challenge, I say it's for you. But hey, it's just me. It's all up to you. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy the experience.